Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now in today's video, we have a special collaboration and that's called Sophisticated Saturdays. That's being hosted by the Ladies of Elegance. Now we do have some guest hosts and we have Mercy Beauty Styles and At Home with Lisa. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who know me for a while, even from the very beginning, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, I'm going to be linking the hosts and the guest hosts down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. Make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, so that you can see what everybody did on Sophisticated Saturdays. I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and continue decorating this table, and then I'll come in right in the middle. Now, all the 3 Christmas trees toward the back wall, those I DIY'd. And then the reindeer I got from Dollar General. Tablecloth and the runner was thrifted item. And then the chargers and the plates, they came from the Dollar Tree. The salad plate, that was a thrifted item. Now the Dollar Tree is carrying these beautiful mugs. They say bed and breakfast. I'm not sure what the other one says, but anyway, I grabbed 2 of these and I decided to make candles with them. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you a little bit later how I DIY'd these, and then we'll come back to the video. Let me go ahead and grab this. Let me show you now what I did. Now the Dollar Tree is carrying the tall pillar candles in all colors. So I grabbed a green one. And then I also went over to the candy section and I got the cinnamon, the peppermint sticks. So we're gonna be putting that in there. Then I grabbed those wax melts in white. We cut them up to make them look like marshmallows. This project is gonna come out so nice. Now after bringing the candles over, I'm going to go ahead and use a skewer to take the wick out of those candles because we're going to stick those in the mug. We're not wasting anything, guys. And then we're going to start pouring the first layer because I have 4 of these candles. We're going to do 2 first, let that harden, and then come back with the other one. Now the other 2 wicks from the other candles, we'll just put that on the side because that's not going to go to waste. Then we'll add the second candle to each one, giving us a nice level here with the candles. And then when that hardens a little bit, then you start placing in the white wax melts, which look like marshmallows. Now you make sure and situate the little candy cane peppermint in the angle that you want it to lay before you pour in the second candle. And I think this looks absolutely gorgeous. This would make a great gift. Now these are so adorable. I think we should do a reveal. Come on. Okay, now this came out absolutely gorgeous. Now let's go over to the Tablescape, guys. Let's go to that reveal. do want to take a moment and thank both of our guest hosts, Mercy Beauty Styles and At Home with Lisa, for hosting this collaboration with us. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.